Hey, what's up? Dean, Super Performance at the shop. Filthy, sweating, dying over here. Dying. Sean's Mustang. Roll cage. Ow, ow. So, yesterday, got everything MIG welded. Finished all the TIG welding up here. Today, and then I had to run and get the bar, the other piece of chrome moly, literally for that one bar. So, yeah, I finished that weld over there. That one. So that bar is fully welded in, and then I went ahead and I cut, where are you, this one and this one, notched them. They fit up in there tight, and they come off, come off right below where that down bar comes. So they tie everything to the back. Whoops. They tie everything in to the back, plus they have the two diagonals for that shock bar. And I'm hoping that this bar will act as an anti-roll bar mount for him. Worst case scenario, he won't have an anti-roll bar. We'd have to figure something else out, like mount it underneath the car or underneath the rear end, or do something different, weird. But I measured, and that bar should allow him to mount those two tabs right there and bolt the bar to it. Hopefully it works, but I got the fuel cell mount all done, TIG welded up. It's nice and square. Hold on, I'll grab the fuel cell and throw it in. Okay, so it's in. You see there's a little bit of space here, there, just a little bit. There it is, up there. These tanks always bow, so it makes it hard, but it fits. It's a little bit of a trick to get in there with the sump and getting the fittings under this bar, and then you got to kind of give it a little hoop-de-loopa. But I ran out of argon. I got to finish literally that one weld right there. Everything else is 100% welded. So everything looks so dirty because it's all starting to flash over already. But yeah, fuel cell's in. So now tomorrow I'll grab the argon, come down, I'll finish that one real quick, cut my two plates, get them welded in, and then I will cut the uprights, both uprights for the wheel tub, and then I'll cut the actual wheel tub, and then I'll trim the bracket to fit the wheel tub. As of right now, I don't think this bar will be in the way. Might ever so slightly just touch it, but that's okay. I'd rather have that bar tie in to the bottom of that bar, that bar there, so it all ties together under there. I don't know why I'm trying to show you through the window and there's the bottom of the car. So they all tie in together there. That's probably about as strong as it's gonna get for the back. Everything is triangulated, tied together. It's, yeah, good. So, yep. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get most of the mini tubs at least cut up and set in there and figured out, and then I can start patching in the floor. I haven't decided if I'm going to try to make the whole piece out of one piece. It'd be difficult being that there's 4 bars technically, coming through the floor, but might be able to make it work because these two are pretty close to the front, those two are pretty close to the side. So I might be able to make it work with like drilling holes and kind of cutting the tin across, but I do want to get a couple of bead rolls in it, make it less tingy in a sense. like I was saying, I put a couple bead rolls in it, front to back, and kind of match the floor pans. Yeah. And then I might even, I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. But yeah, I mean, that's it for now. We're very close now. Throw the floors back in up here. I just got to cut them and take the frame rail, unibody frame rail off, and then cut the little sections out that need to be cut out. Drop it in, weld it up. That one will be done. Then do the back. So I'm not sure. Yeah, if I'll get it done tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. I thought it was Friday, but the sheet's right there. Also on Bobby's car. Did work on your car, Bobby. Did. Stop crying. Cut the weird plates that are bent to crap. Like, it's so bent. It's not even funny. But I did get them cut out. So I got it cut as close as I can to the K-member. I'm going to take and grind that down, and then that tab way down there, I got to cut a little more, grind a little more. But I need to figure out how to get the bar out from in the middle without throwing a bunch of crap up into the bottom of this motor. I might take a piece of cardboard and stab it over. There's studs in the bottom of that pan. So I might stab it over the studs, kind of seal the motor off. Throw the dipstick in that hole over there and cut away. They got like 10 pounds of RTV on this thing or something, or some weird rubber seal. I'm not really sure what that is. But yeah, so working on everything. This is crazy. So just noticed there's 2 through holes here. Yeah, that one goes through and that one goes through. Should have done a motor plate, Bobby. But you don't have any on this side to go off of. No, you don't have nothing on that side to go off of. You can't have a motor plate, screw you. But anyways, yeah. So for this one, that's it. Box body's coming together. Get that one knocked out in the next couple of days. Monday, I think Monday, pretty close to having it 100% done. Tuesday will be the latest, I think. Jump on Bobby's car, get Bobby's car mobile again. I got to build a drive shaft for it. I got to do a bunch of stuff to that. But once I get Sean's car done, as far as the floors and the tubs and all that stuff, I'll jump back on Bobby's car, get his motor set in there and stuff, make it drivable again. Then I can, if I have time, which I should have time, I could throw Sean's car up on the lift and make a new transmission cross member and get rid of the rest of the unibody frame rail that's on the inside that holds the transmission cross member. That's my hope, my goal. So something a little extra for them. Get rid of the big factory transmission cross member, and make one out of a nice piece of 1.25 inch chromoly. Yep. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, leave me a comment. Have a good day.